Hey guys, tip number 9 on how to be a better junior programmer. Today's tip is about the butterfly effect and why small changes in code can have massive consequences. In 1961, meteorologist Edward Lorenz was running weather simulations on a computer. One day, he decided to rerun a simulation using a printed output from an earlier run. He expected identical results, but instead, the weather pattern diverged completely. The difference? Well, he'd entered 0.506 as an input instead of 0.506127. It is just a tiny rounding difference. Now, this tiny change produced dramatically different outcomes. Lorenz discovered that in complex systems, small variations in initial conditions can cascade into enormous differences over time. This became popularly known as the butterfly effect. The idea that a butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil could theoretically set off a tornado in Texas years later. Now, the same principle applies to software development. Junior developers often think small code changes are harmless. You modify a utility function slightly, maybe adjust a default parameter or change how date is formatted, and it seems insignificant at the time, just like Lorenz's rounding difference. But in interconnected systems, these small changes cascade. That utility function you modified might be called in 47 different places. That default parameter you change breaks something that maybe only occurs during a leap year. And the formatting change, well, it causes some offline report to fail in a different time zone. What started as a one-line change becomes a system-wide problem. The solution? Well, before making any change, trace its potential impact. Ask yourself, what depends on this code? Use your IDE's find usages feature to see where functions and variables are used. Don't just assume a change is isolated its impact is small. When you do make changes, test thoroughly. Run the entire test suite, not just a test for your specific feature. Look for edge cases and unexpected interactions. Small changes deserve the same scrutiny as large ones. The butterfly effect teaches us that in complex systems, there are no truly insignificant changes. And just like that, you're a better developer. I'm posting every weekday. See you tomorrow.